Hello guys, in today's video we are exploring the new Halloween update. Shut up. We're exploring the new update in the new Halloween update in OJ Fun Monkey Horror. Wait, go to the app thing. Hello? What happened? Oh, you're down there? Okay, I'm going over there.
Bro.
What?
Jump down.
I did.
No, wait. Go back to the teleporter. Go back.
Okay.
Oh, bro, go back to the teleporter.
Okay, I will.
Bro.
What?
Bro. They're coming. Quick.
Go. Go.
Okay.
Whoa, that was close.
So, as you said, we're gonna be exploring the new Halloween update, OG Fun Monkey Horror. First time playing it.
Yeah. Wait, just got cosmetics.
You are two.
I mean, I just played this game like a couple of days ago. I mean, like yesterday.
I played it yesterday.
Yeah, same. Alright, let's go explore the new update. We haven't, like, played all the maps, because we only played place, because, I think it's the least scariest.
You wanna, let's get in the car, so we can go in IKEA, cause whenever we go to IKEA, we are not gonna able to hear ourselves.
To hear? Oh, that's true, bro. All right.
You wanna get in the car?
Yeah, I'm still in the call.
Oh, okay. Hold up.
All right, so guys, if you don't hear this guy, well, it's because we're in a call from him. I'm in a call with him, so that he's not talking. So let's go. All right, let's go to IKEA. Whoa! You're not supposed to show everyone that. That scared me. Just don't put the wrong code. Just don't go to the wrong code, okay? Because it's not gonna let you go back. Alright, did you put it in? Oh, so the day lasts 6 minutes and the night lasts 5 minutes. I know, I'm scared too. Alright, I'm gonna code. Yo. What? Okay. Hello, can anyone hear me? Huh? Wait, that's me. That's me. What did you hear? Yeah, that was me. That was me. What? Okay. Chris, where are you? Wait, I hear you, Chris. I hear you. You're in the forward direction. Wait, stay there. Where are you? I'm scared. Yeah, I heard you. I heard you in like I hear you. Hello?
Where are you?
I hear you.
Where are you?
I'm coming to your sound of direction. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm here. I'm coming.
Go to the big pillar thing. Okay?
Yeah, I'm coming. I'm coming. I know where you are. I know where you are because I hear your voice in that direction.
Meet me there. The what's it called?
The long big stick thing?
Big pillar. Where are you?
I'm at C4. I'm at C4. 4.
Where are you?
Wait, stay still. Stay still and talk.
What?
Stay still. Stay still. Don't move. Don't move. Stay still.
Okay.
Yo, this is scary, guys. Leave a like. This is scary. Wait, talk. Talk.
What?
I said talk.
I'm talking.
Okay, I hear you. Can you talk more?
I don't see you.
Oh, I see you. You're right here.
Bro, we found
Yo,
ourselves.
we found each other. But it's gonna be nighttime,
Okay,
so we gotta find a place to hide. Cause there's a monster right there.
come. Holy.
Holy Cracker Jacksons! All right, let's go somewhere. Let's go somewhere. Come over here.
You.
I found you because your voice was in a direction, so I went to that direction.
Bro,
That's why I needed you to talk.
are you recording the video still?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Okay, so guys.
Do the call. Do the call thingy.
Okay, call. I'm here.
Oh my gosh, bro. Ain't no way we found each other. Ain't no way we found each other, bro. Because of teamwork, right? Teamwork makes the dream work. All right, we need to build something. We need to build something quick. Oh yeah. My hunger's at 66. It's about to turn nighttime. It's about to turn nighttime. Huh? That's a great idea. But I think we can squeeze through. Yeah, I think we can squeeze through. If we're thin enough, because we're kind of a little bit fat. Don't body shame us. I think we can. I don't know. Wait, I'm here. Okay. Let's just hope the IKEA guys don't find us. Lower your volume, cause it might be a little bit scary and loud. My hunger's at 60. If it turns 58, then it means nighttime. Yeah, I knew it. Just be quiet. Turn off your flashlight. Whoa.
Okay.
Be quiet. Turn off your flashlight. Same, bro. But we're brave. We are hunters. Voice is strong. No, do not turn on your flashlight. I don't see your flashlight. I'm scared too, but we are brave. We are. Okay, don't say that. Don't say jiggly. Because that's weird. I think they're right on top of us. It's just because I'm squished. No, please don't. 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 Be quiet. Bro, it's because I'm fat. Okay, that's body shading. That's body shading me. You're reporting me. I mean, like moving me, not reporting. Get your filthy head out of my face. Okay, I'll stay still. Okay, remember the night only like turns out for like 5 minutes. I know. Bro, it's at 40. It's at 40. My hunger's at 40. We gotta find food now. We actually gotta find food. I don't know. We gotta go to the food area. I don't know. What? I don't know. I'm staying still. I'm scared. I know you're scared too, but we are hunters, voices strong enough that I believe we're going up, up, up. It's our moment. Gonna be golden. Gonna be golden. Oh, I'm sorry. You're the one pushing me. Where are you? I don't see you. I don't see you anywhere. Oh my gosh, you jump scared me. I can't. I'm too fat, bro. Wait. Turn into the app thingy. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Bro. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
I'm scared.
Me too.
Stop pushing us.
Bro, speak louder.
Bro, I am speaking louder.
Okay.
Wait, if we talk, doesn't that mean that the monsters can hear us?
No, like the
Ah!
No, they do. Be quiet.
Okay. Remember that lockdown we have in Friday? Oh,
Yes,
there we go.
yes, finally.
Okay, wait, we're stuck now.
No?
I can't escape.
No, you are stuck.
Ah!
Get karma.
Oh,
Karma.
oh, there we go. Haha.
Okay, join call.
Okay. Yo. Okay. Yeah, we gotta find some food because my food is at 24%. Mine is at 24 still. Maybe you joined the call a little bit earlier than me. Where's the food? How do you lost me? Okay, I will. Wait. Hello? Where are you? Oh, there you are. Okay. Don't ever lose me ever again. I'm scared. And my hunger's at 19. We gotta find some food now. Bro, where's the food?
Join in from the app.
I already am. I'm right here. Oh, my battery is low. Oh. About 20. 40. 22. Well, we gotta hurry up and find some food, bro. We're gonna die of hunger. Bro, I'm at 13. Yeah, same, bro. We gotta find some food, like, actually. We can eat the glass. Bro, where is the food? Okay, OG Fun Monkey Horror is not fair, bro. Yeah, no food is crazy. I lost you. Where are you? I lost you. Ow, oh. Oh. Well, oh, yeah. But how? Yeah, we're gonna die of hunger. You're at 4, I'm at 5. Yeah, we're gonna die of starvation. There's no food. Okay, I mean, we can try to eat those people, but we can't. What? How'd you already lost me? Where are you? Go to the app. Hello? Hello? Where are you? Oh, you're right there.
I'm dying.
You're dying?
Yes.
I'm dying too. Oh, you're right here. Ow. Hey, it's fun remembering you.
It says build over here.
Yeah, I know. I can't build too.
Oh! Chair. Look.
What the? No, that's a bed, not a chair. Also, I'm dying.
Good. Come on, look.
I'm stuck.
Restart.
Oh,
wait.
Oh.
Come. We're gonna make our own base. Quick, our own base.
Alright, go. Hurry up until we're dead.
Our own base. Look, our own base.
Yeah, but we need another thing.
Look.
Ah. Yeah. Wait, that's
Our
perfect.
base.
But they can go over here.
No, look.
I'm dying. Are you okay?
Look.
Oh.
I put a shield.
Yeah.
Wait, we collect the stuff. We are about to die. Whenever we die, we're gonna go back in the app.
Okay.
And
It's fun remembering you.
It's fun remembering you. Yes, okay.
Alright. Well, we're gonna die together. Come over here. We're gonna die together.
Where are you?
I'm right here.
We are gonna die together. Bro, you wanna learn some science? So
after this, can we get some cosmetics? After we die, can we get some cosmetics, please?
No. You wanna hear some math? You wanna hear some science?
Yeah, we're dead.
Bro, you wanna hear some science?
What? What is it?
So how the being can get through these 2 dimensions? So the
Just shut up. We're
frequency of
dead.
happening that is 0.1% of happening, so he can teleport through any wall.
Just
so that
shut
can be
up.
like
We're dead, bro.
0.1% in equals matters fractions.
Shut up, we're dead.
But why are you smiling?
We're dead, bro.
GG.
Shut up.
Jeez. GG, bro. 5. Wait, 10. 5.
I'm at 15.
And... Wait, call.
Call? Okay. I've always wished to see the heart. Did he die? Oh heck. Oh heck no. Nope. Let's do another map because I'm still recording. What? We're gonna play into tomorrow? Okay. Well, guys, that's the end of that. We're gonna upload more with my friend over here. I don't want to leak his name. So, tomorrow we will play OG Fun Monkey Horror again in IKEA. So, bye, guys. Yay! Also, don't forget, like. Oh, freak. How do I get out of here? Hello? How do I get out of here? Okay, this is awkward. Guys. How do I get... Oh. I'm so dumb. Oh, that's the end of that. Oh, make sure to like and subscribe. And bye-bye.